Good deal. So a study has shown that most people buy UK used iPhones over the new one because the UK used are always cheaper. And they, as these devices are cheaper, are they still water resistant? Can it withstand liquid splashes or even being submerged in water? All that is what we are going to discuss. So you get to know if your UK used iPhone is still water resistant or not. So let's get started. Before we get to talk about if they are waterproof or water resistant, let's get to know what UK used iPhones mean. UK used iPhone is a general name for all foreign used iPhones that come to Nigeria. It doesn't necessarily mean that all of them comes from United Kingdom. No, it's just that most comes from there. Others come from USA, others from China, Hong Kong, and a whole lot other so many other parts of the world. So let's get to the main topic of the day. Are UK used iPhones water resistant? A UK used iPhone will only be water resistant if it's direct from the factory. Let's say that's the dealer that brought it for you, bought it direct from somebody that bought the iPhone direct from Apple. So it will still be water resistant because the device has not been opened, so it's still sealed. For people that are bringing in refurbished, if it's a direct refurbished from Apple, it will still be water resistant because all the glue, they use the original glue. But if it's direct from third party, if the device is being bought from third party, the probability that that device will still maintain its water resistance will drop drastically because most of them will try to cut corners, then get a fake glue or maybe a glue that doesn't match up to the standard. So that will allow liquid or water into the device, and if the device has been opened, you don't know who refurbished it, if it's a professional or not. So if this is not a professional, that means that the device water resistant has been tampered with, so it won't be that's 100% water resistant that it should be from the factory. So that's one thing you should know. So if you are buying direct, make sure you are buying a direct UK used iPhone, because if you buy a refurbished or this one that are being repackaged, you have yourself to blame. I know some people will ask, what if I buy a UK used iPhone and dip it inside water? Can I take it to the vendor to replace the device for me? Brother, if you buy a UK used iPhone and then you are taking it to the water, you submerge it in water and your device gets spoiled, don't bother going to disturb the vendor, because even Apple, even if you buy a brand new iPhone and you submerge it in water, Apple warranty doesn't cover it. So that's one thing you should know. So if you buy your iPhone, they made it water resistant in case of splash, not for you to go and submerge it in water, because if you submerge it, even Apple will deny you. So as you are using your phone, if you submerge it and your phone spoils as a result of water or liquid, my brother, just arrange money, go buy another one if you try fixing that one and it don't work. So I hope you have been enlightened on the UK used iPhones and water resistant features. So please do what to like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. If you need a UK used iPhone, you can reach out to us on the number on the screen, on WhatsApp, or even via phone call. Thank you.